As a reminder, businesses cannot pay home stars to alter or remove any of their reviews. Each review that comes in goes under comprehensive review moderation to avoid fraudulent fake reviews. You may verify our 99% rating at any time for Diamond Custom Shutters right below this video. Okay, let's begin, shall we? Welcome to Diamond Custom Shutters, your trusted source for Canadian custom-made window coverings and professional installation services for Ontario. Whether you're looking for shutters, zebra blinds, or shades, we have the perfect solutions to enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your residential or commercial office space. At Diamond Custom Shutters, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional quality and craftsmanship. Our shutters are backed by a 25-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting durability and peace of mind for our customers. The same dedication to excellence extends to our blinds, which come with a 5-year warranty. We understand the importance of finding the right window coverings to suit your unique style and practical needs. That's why we offer a wide range of options to choose from, including different materials, colors, and designs. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of shutters or the versatility of zebra blinds and shades, our expert team is here to help you find the perfect fit for any room in your home or office in Brampton. When you choose us as your premium window covering supplier, you can trust that you're investing in the highest quality products that are made to last. Our Canadian-made window coverings are not only stylish, but also built to withstand the test of time. Experience the difference of Diamond Custom Shutters and transform your windows into stunning focal points. Contact us today to claim your freebies and explore our extensive range of window treatment options. Need help choosing on your next window covering design? Browse through this website you're currently on to claim your free offers, or give us a call now to begin the process. Whether you're looking for energy efficiency, privacy, light control, automation, or all of the above, we'll design the perfect solution for any residential or commercial space with extreme elegance and durability. Ready to get started? Just follow the simple steps on this website or video. Step 1. Decide on what window covering best suits your needs, or you may be interested in finding out more information about. Step 2. Call us for assistance to claim your free offer or explore the product inventory ideas and past projects below. If your city is not listed, we wish you the best in finding your window covering supplier. This is the image you'll find on our website with the simple steps to claim the offer if your home or office is located in the service area list. Last step. Take your time and make a confident decision. That's it for this video. So please continue with the steps outlined in this video or website, and we hope to design, create, and install your window covering solution for you. These are some of the product ideas and projects you'll find inside the custom shutters, blinds, and window shades product inventory page. However, you'll discover much more in the picture gallery. Okay, now go ahead, have a look around. Follow the steps, then contact us at 416-571-3315. Have yourself a wonderful day.